With the MD LiDAR 1000, we were able to capture the imagery and the LiDAR that we needed to produce the deliverables. What really kind of sets it apart is the ability to extract the data from the office. With the imagery and the LiDAR data, we're able to go back to the project from the office and extract any data that we would have missed.
There's a couple of ways you can go about planning a flight mission. If you kind of know your area you're going to fly, you can import a KML into the application. And then once you import that KML, you can set your parameters. So what payload are we going to be using? Are we flying for LiDAR? Are we flying for imagery? So once you set your parameters on the payload, you put in your flight speed, how high you're going to be flying. Once you enter all that in, the application just comes up with a flight plan for you. From there, you go in and you identify your takeoff spot. You have to create a couple of alignment waypoints. It's basically kind of a GPS calibration, if you will. Once it goes to its alignment waypoints, it flies the flight block.
We're using the micro drone's camera for orthophotography or photogrammetry, and we're using the LiDAR to do our topographic surveys when possible. The benefits of using a UAV for surveying are speed without sacrificing the accuracy. So we're able to capture the same amount of data that we would doing conventional methods, but do it 10 times as fast.
We don't just sell a drone or just sell a payload, but one cohesive unit from planning your mission in our MD cockpit software, carrying out that mission, getting feedback from the drone and the payload throughout the duration of the flight, which allows you to see that your system is working properly and gathering the data properly.
And once you get the planning complete, you simply switch over to what's called flight data mode, and that's where you monitor all your telemetry. It does a data collection process right here on the tablet, and then it lets you know, hey, everything is good, you can power off. It's just all in one.